two main genes that can lead to anxiety. And I know a lot of people suffer from anxiety, and it can be debilitating. Again, we're not working with the genes, we're actually working with the enzymes that they code for. First thing you need to do, though, is go get your genes tested with My Happy Genes, and then you can follow along and you can sort of work with your own genes. The first one that's really very much implicated in anxiety is the COMT gene variant. So its job is to tell your body how to make the enzyme that breaks down adrenaline. So when you break down adrenaline, it balances out your brain and gets rid of the anxiety. Because adrenaline is your stress hormone. It's what keeps you anxious and moving fast and in a stressed state. If you have that genetic variant, I'm going to tell you some things that you can try that upregulate the enzyme that breaks down adrenaline. And that's really the best way to do this. Rather than taking a tranquilizer or anti-anxiety medications, what if you got to the enzyme that was actually creating the problem? So if you have that particular genetic variant, the COMT enzyme is not working correctly. So the things you can do to balance it, minerals, like a mineral blend. One of my favorites, I really like the Physician Lines, but Biotics Research makes a great product called multi-mins. It's iron and copper free. You want to watch the iron and the copper because they can build up in your system and create a problem. But magnesium is a biggie for this enzyme to help it work correctly. It is also called a methyltransferase, and so it needs methyl groups, which comes from the methylation pathways.